have parts that range from aerospace and medical, high complexity 5-axis work, as well as anything that needs support with EDM. We tackle everything from 1 and 2 piece orders of ultra complex stuff to 1,000, 4,000, 10,000 piece orders. And we do it all in ProShop, and we have all the tools to tackle any of those in any way that we decide are fit.
We used E2 manufacturing system for about 15 years before we found ProShop. All of the ERP softwares were basically built on the same platform, and every one of them had scheduling problems, and they weren't necessarily designed for ultra-precision multi-process machining. So when I heard of ProShop, I was a little reluctant to get excited because I had looked at every other ERP software out there on the market and was disappointed. But then when we started digging, and the more we dug, we just found gold.
In the past, I've been through usage and in some cases implementations of JobBoss, Plex, E2, Epicor, and Global Shop. All the other systems are built to be solutions for everybody, and that by standard turns out almost always not to be a solution for me, because especially here at 3D, we're not everybody. You know, we do unique projects and we take on challenges that other people are afraid of and requirements that are above the norm. And the other systems don't have the tools or resources to be able to define or follow the needs that we have.
Before ProShop, we were just using file folders, and it was a mess, and no one was doing it the same way. So you could find the data, but it would be cumbersome. You wouldn't be able to just click on it. It wasn't on a screen. It wasn't a proven process. What ProShop gave us was just a blueprint for a proven process. All we had to do was just follow the directions.
All of our aerospace clients who've seen ProShop absolutely love our ability to handle every aspect of their business that differentiates them from their competitors and their specific needs. And we've gotten thumbs up and A+ from all of our customers who've come to see that, especially the quality aspect.
I mean, we've had companies come in here and literally tell us that this is the best setup they've ever seen. And when we open up ProShop, their eyes get wild and they ask us if they can tell their other shops about ProShop. One of the benefits of ProShop for me was peace of mind. You know, running a job shop, they say, is one of the hardest jobs in the world. ProShop helped us with that. It streamlined all of our processes. It's still a job shop, but it's a lot easier as an owner to be able to run a business model that works versus fighting a business model that doesn't.
So out of the box, ProShop is ready to go. You just got to learn the rules that are already there, and you're making parts. You know, so the setup time, the implementation time is significantly reduced because all the parts are already there. You don't even have to put them together. It's a machine. You just learn how to turn it on and start cranking.
And we do a lot of real complex multi-process aerospace parts. And so our customers that come in here are relieved and they say, oh, our parts are safe here. And then as we start to give them data and feedback right from ProShop, they can call us up and where's my part at? And we could tell them exactly where it's at.
We have gotten a lot of positive feedback from our customers based on our improvements in things like on-time delivery as well as quality delivery. We run a quality-centered business, and ProShop keeps quality at the heart of what it does, and our customers are thrilled for it. We've actually gotten more work from more of our customers because we've been able to improve our quality and delivery simultaneously.
I would say that my business is more valuable to me now than it ever was, because it's what I've always wanted since I started a job shop, was to have a place that my employees can come in and be organized and love what they do. Without a system like ProShop, I don't know how we would still survive.
Pretty much every aspect of our business has improved since we started using ProShop. Our employees have the ability to take real ownership of what they do now. And when they're getting their job done, the business does better. There really is nothing we can't handle in ProShop. And I don't see a shop out there that couldn't make the full use of the tools that they have in ProShop.
Our overall improvement in efficiency was probably 25% across the board. I don't know how I would run a job shop now without accurate data. My name is Matt Golick, and my shop is powered by ProShop.